So online remoting has allowed me time flexibility. It has given me an opportunity to earn in stronger currencies. I no longer have to rely on an aftercare facility for my child, which has then allowed me to build a stronger relationship with him during his formative years. I have two online revenue streams, the first being my financial coaching business, where I assist clients with their daily money behaviors. And the second stream is my Upwork freelance profile, where I've assisted people with building spreadsheets, and I've also done some accounting work and budgeting for my clients. So I've had feedback where I've been told that I have a practical, no-nonsense approach that helps freelancers or small businesses gain perspective and clarity. I've also been told that I have clear communication, which helps people understand financial topics in general. Remotania has had a profound effect on my journey. With the guidance of Remotania, I have an Upwork profile that has generated enough interest where people have reached out to me to do work for them. With regards to my coaching, it has allowed me to focus my energy on my strengths and has also told me to use freelancers to help bring in skill sets that I don't necessarily have or I'm not very strong with. The program has introduced me to people that I regard as my allies and my friends, and it has also given me tools to face global competition. Work no longer just arrives at my desk for me to do. I actually need to go and find the work that I need to generate, but I have control over what I engage with. And I have learned so much, and I continue to have a learning mindset. My mindset's also had to change. I have had to accept that you need to spend money to make money. And with regards to coaching, spending money in that respect has helped me navigate possible pitfalls that you can find in an online environment. My ideal client is a female solopreneur freelancer who is very creative. I love creative people. I just love the way their brains work, but their brain doesn't necessarily work the way my brain works. So I want to bring my logical brain to help just elevate their creative brains so that together we can navigate their business and bring clarity and just paint a picture from the numbers, because I don't think creative people necessarily, they look at numbers and it might be a bit daunting, but with my help, I can create a picture from their numbers and give them understanding of the data that they're looking at.